Welcome to our tutorial on how to effectively manage your project portfolio. Let's get started. After successfully logging into Synergy Indicata, you can navigate to the Projects workspace, your centralized project hub. Here you'll find a table displaying the projects you have permissions to view. System administrators have the flexibility to customize the project information shown in the table columns, such as the project code, name, dates, and more. The Projects workspace offers several features for effective project portfolio management, such as searching for projects, viewing project details, and browsing and sorting projects. Sorting projects is easy. You can click the column name to arrange the projects based on your preferred field. To further refine the list of projects, you can apply filters such as workflow states to focus on specific subsets of projects. In addition, the Projects workspace includes a comprehensive search mechanism. This feature enables you to filter projects based on various criteria such as project name, code, program, start or end dates. Once you find the specific project you want to view, click the project name link. This will navigate you to the project overview screen, where you can access project-related modules and track the project workflow. Let's go back to your project's portfolio and further explore its features. To navigate through the workspace pages, you can use the left and right arrows. Additionally, you can define how many projects to show per page by selecting the desired number from the menu. If you prefer a grid view, you can switch to the grid mode and still use the browsing, pagination, quick search, and advanced search features. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, explore our Synergy Indicata video library.